Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to harvest Reishi mushroom. First, you need to identify a mature Reishi. Look for a firm, woody texture and a distinct, shiny cap. The underside should be white, indicating it's ready for harvest. Once you've found a suitable specimen, prepare for a clean cut. This ensures the best quality harvest and encourages future growth from the same mycelium. Identifying a mature Reishi is crucial for a successful harvest. The cap should have a distinct lacquered appearance, often in shades of red or brown. Crucially, the underside must be white, indicating active spore production has ceased. If it's yellow or bruised, it might be too young or past its prime. A firm, woody feel confirms its readiness. When you're ready to harvest, carefully locate where the Reishi mushroom connects to its growing medium, usually wood. Use a very sharp knife or a small saw to make a clean, decisive cut. Aim to cut as close to the substrate as possible without causing damage to the wood or the underlying mycelium. This method helps ensure the mushroom can regrow in the future. Once harvested, gently clean any dirt or debris from your Reishi mushroom. For long-term preservation, drying is the most common method. You can slice it and use a dehydrator or air dry it in a well-ventilated area. Remember, by cutting cleanly at the base, you leave the mycelium intact, which often allows for new Reishi mushrooms to grow in the same spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.